Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm so excited. I woke up this morning to 100 amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are getting value.
This is a Zobo, a cold Zobo. It's cold. I'm enjoying myself.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're making Zobo, fruity Zobo infused with a lot of fruits. So for this recipe, I'll be using Zobo itself, the Zobo leaves itself. This is dried Zobo, ginger, cinnamon stick. This adds a lot of flavor to the Zobo. I'll be using cloves as well, then some oranges, cucumber, and then pineapple flavor, pineapple too. Firstly, I'll be cutting my pineapple and taking off the peels. These peels will be going into the pots. We are not throwing them away. I have pineapple peels in the freezer from the pineapple we ate the other day, so I added it also. I'll go ahead to cut my oranges into slices. I'll also be adding it to this Zobo chunk. I'll be adding the orange peels now to the pot. Then I'll go ahead and add my cloves and also the grated ginger. It's time to add the Zobo leaves. I like washing my Zobo leaves. Not washing actually, I just like rinsing it off a bit. So all the dust that has accumulated on it at the market, I'll rinse it off. Then you don't leave it so long in the water. Then I'll be adding the Zobo leaves to the pot as well. I'll top off the pot with some water. Added my cinnamon stick and then covered it to boil. I'll be manually extracting my pineapple juice. Yes, this is the method I use whenever there is no light to blend. So if you don't have a juice extractor, or you don't have a blender, or NEPA has taken their light as usual, then you can use this method. Just grate it and then sieve it out. So once the Zobo has boiled, sieving it out. I like cooking my Zobo twice, so I'll be adding some more water to the pot again. I'll also be adding the pulp I got from the pineapple after extracting the juice. So after cooking the Zobo for the second time, I'll be straining out the Zobo juice, and then you notice that the Zobo leaves are now pale pink and no longer ox blood. I'll cover that and allow it to cool. So our Zobo has cooled down, and this is the time to add the rest of the fruits, the juice and the flavors. So first I'll be adding my pineapple juice. I'll add that to the Zobo. Then after that, I'll be adding my pineapple flavors. I'll be using 2 of the sachets for this 5-liter bucket of Zobo. Then after that, I'll stir that in and then go ahead to add some orange slices and cucumber slices. Then I'll cover that up and place it in the fridge to get chilled. Always have your Zobo chilled. This Zobo is so sweet and flavorful. Like bursts of flavors from the cinnamon to the pineapple, oranges, cucumber. Everything was a hit back to back. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give it a try. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe now. See you in my next video. Bye.